The Hoover AXI model hosts a wide range of fantastic features to further help with your laundry tasks. It offers the great stylish looks we've come to expect from Hoover, with a cool finished black door, an elegant up-top panel design and LED display. And it's here that you'll find all of your great wash options. There's the all-in-one 59, which can wash a full load of all colours and fabrics together in under an hour. The steam function will enable you to add a steam treatment on certain cycles, which will relax the creases in wet garments, ultimately reducing the time needed to iron the clothes. This central feature is the Total Care programme, which will give you A-class washing results, whilst allowing you to wash different fabrics and colours together. With the Total Care functions, the Active Care technology creates a perfect emulsion of water and detergent, which expand inside the drum and deeply penetrates into the fibres, enhancing the cleaning results and keeping your clothes looking new. Now, something that really sets this machine apart is the detergent drawer feature, Care Dose. This clever appliance will auto-dose each cycle with the correct amount of detergent and will last for an average of 18 cycles. And adding to the intelligence of the AXI model is the advanced artificial intelligence. You can connect your smartphone or tablet to the AXI and control the machine from there. Not only that, but the AXI will study your washing habits and suggest the best cycles and times for your programs. So a real step forward in innovation and exciting technology. This is the AXI model that is also available in graphite or black, brought to you by Hoover.